my dear little ones. How are you all? Are you doing well? Very good. Did you all enjoy the Eid? Yes. So after a break, today we are having our English class. Right? Are you all ready to learn English? Yes? We finished our first chapter, Bruno the puppy. You all enjoyed the story, right? Yes. Did you all hear to the Malayalam translation? Yes, right? So now you know the story very well. Okay. So we listened to a story. Today, I thought, let's sing a song. Do you all like singing songs? Yes? Which is your favorite song? Very good. So today, this is a small poem. Okay? We learned about Bruno the puppy, right? So let's sing a song called My Puppy. Are you ready? Yes? Excellent. So then, let's begin. So the song's name is My Puppy. You all know puppy is the dog's baby, right? Yes. So let's sing the song. My puppy. My puppy has a dog house just outside my door. He licks me when I pet him and wags his tail for more. He's always there beside me no matter what I do. My puppy is my special friend and a family member too. So we'll sing once again. My puppy has a dog house just outside my door. He licks me when I pet him and wags his tail for more. He's always my side no matter what I do. My puppy is my special friend and a family member too. Did you listen? Let us sing it together, okay? My puppy has a dog house just outside my door. He licks me when I pet him and wags his tail for more. He's always there beside me no matter what I do. My puppy is my special friend and a family member too. So now ma'am will just explain what the rhyme is and then we will sing one more time. Okay? What it is saying? My puppy has a dog house. Okay? This puppy has a dog house. It has a house of its own just outside my door. Okay? This puppy is girl's pet. Okay? Do you all have pets in your house? Which all are your pets? You have fish. Okay, he has a fish at his house. You have a cat. Okay, a cat. Parrot. Yes, you all have different pets. So similarly, this girl had a puppy as a pet. So her puppy's house is just outside her door. Okay, my puppy has a dog house just outside my door. He licks me when I pet him. Have you seen dogs licking? Yes, right? Yes. So when petting means we pat, right? We pat our pets. We take them in our hands and pet them. So at that time, the dog licks the girl and wags his tail for more. So when they stop patting, what does the puppy do? Puppy wags his tail, asking, I want more. He's always there beside me. Okay, the puppy is always beside this girl. No matter what I do, whatever she does, no matter. My puppy is my special friend. This, the girl's friend is the puppy. Sachin's best friend was Bruno. Like that, this girl's friend is this puppy and a family member too. They love this puppy so much that they think that he is also one of the family. Okay, who all are there in your family? Mother, father, sister, brother, right? Yes. Sometimes it is only mother, father and you. So here they are also considering puppy to be a part of their family. Clear? Let's try reading it once more slowly. Okay? Without singing, we will read it. My puppy has a dog house just outside my door. He licks me when I pet him. He licks me when I pet him and wags his tail for more. He's always there besides me. What does beside mean? Near me. Okay, next to me. No matter what I do. My puppy is my special friend and a family member too. Clear? Now let's sing it once more. Sing along with me. My puppy has a dog house just outside my door. He licks me when I pet him and wags his tail for more. He's always there beside me no matter what I do. My puppy is my special friend and a family member too. Clear? Very good. So this was the small song. Did you all like it? Yes? Very good. So ma'am will explain this in more detail during our discussion. Okay? So ma'am will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care and stay safe, my dear children.